Hi everybody, today I am doing an unboxing of an item I just purchased in this box slash bag, and I just picked it up and let's get into it. So I have the proof of purchase right here. Here is the box. If you have any guesses, leave them down below. And it's not really something that's been on my radar, but once I saw it, I loved it. And well, I have to try it on because it's something that I don't have in my collection, the style of it. So I have to try it out to see if I even actually care for it. So here it is. I have some samples in here. The Elvers and this one. I can't say that. So if you guys have any guesses, leave them down below. It's really tiny. Literally so small. To reveal, ta-da! This is so cute. This is the Louis Vuitton Vanity pouch in the reverse monogram canvas and regular monogram canvas. It's so cute. I did try this size and the Vanity PM. However, I can't really crossbody that one. I don't really have a big chest, but I am on the bigger, curvier side, so that one hits super high, and I don't like how thick it is on the width. I feel like it's really clunky and bulky. At least it doesn't sit flush on the body as a crossbody bag for me personally. I love that this lock is stationary on the bag. As for the PM, it locks on the two zippers, so you gotta zip it on both sides, and I don't particularly like that. I like that this is stationary right here. I love the black trim. So this comes with the two straps, which is the I guess this is the shoulder bag, which is the beautiful gold with black woven into it, and everybody says it gives the Chanel vibes. And this is the adjustable detachable crossbody strap. This bag is made in Italy, and let me take these tags off. Cute. And then let me attach. What I do really love about this too is that the strap attachment is on the top, and when you don't have the straps on, it just lays flat, so it doesn't even, it's not in the way. And I love that. I love when things you don't use are not in the way. It's so cute. I love it. So let me just show it to you guys. I'll do some mod shots, and I'll also do what fits inside the bag so you guys can kind of gauge what you can fit. I have watched every single YouTube video of this specific bag, and there's not much on YouTube, but yes, I have watched every single one of them. It's just hard when you can't try it on in person, and you'd have to gauge if it would fit your lifestyle, if you like it that much. So definitely, if you could try it on in person, I recommend that. But yeah, let's do some mod shots. This is how it looks, just handheld. I can fit it in my wrist. It doesn't look as flattering as it does on other people on the shoulder bag, but I do love that it just kind of dangles and it's just an added feature. That's super cute to me. And again, this is adjustable and detachable, so if you don't like how this hits, you can have it lower because there is more adjustments on this. This is just how I like it. I like that it's more flush against the body. So when you're wearing it crossbody, it's just kind of there, more flush and secure. And then you can push it to the back. Again, I haven't tried it on. Like, I would fill it with some things and walk around my house with it just to see how I would enjoy the bag. And you could open this with one hand, grab everything like that, and then you can just zip it back up. There you go. But again, I don't know how I would actually wear it in real life because I haven't really tried it on yet. So let's see what fits inside the bag. She's so cute, and I tried to go to Chanel to compare their vanity top handles, which of course they don't have. So that was great. I did see some other Chanel bags that I'll do like a shopping reels here on YouTube, but this is the bag. So let's go a little bit more closer. So you got the black leather pipings and trim, or yeah, pipings and trimming. This is the clochette that has the keys to unlock this, which you wouldn't really need to unless you did something to that lock. And then the two straps up top right here. This is the back. It's connected with this piece so that it doesn't come off all the way. And this is the shiny gold hardware. And the interior is, I think, a micro suede, black micro suede lining. So to show you guys what all fits in here, this is my iPhone 15 Pro, and that fits just fine. I don't know if a Max would fit, maybe not lengthwise, but maybe more angled this way. I don't have a Max to try on, but that's how that looks. And this is how it opens fully. And then I will put my Chanel card holder in here, a makeup pouch. Ooh, I don't know actually if that'll fit. Okay, that just fit in there. It's a little bulky now. I have my keys, and I have a Louis Vuitton charm on it. Okay, there we go. And then my Hermes Oud Alezan perfume. I don't know, can this go standing up? Yes, you can fit it standing up, because even though it's sticking up right there, you have some space on the top flap that it would still close. Oh, and then I have my just sunglass pouch. Let's see if that fits. And that fits! Does it have weight? Well, just the weight of the actual items that you placed inside. The bag itself is not heavy. This chain is not heavy. It does have some hardware on it, but the bag itself is not heavy at all. It's so cute. It does not have feet at the bottom, but it has the reverse monogram on the bottom and on the top. The difference between this and the PM size, you do get the 4 feet at the bottom, and you only have this chain as the long shoulder strap. As for this one, you have the black adjustable detachable strap. And then also this leather piece right here that says Louis Vuitton Paris is not part of the PM size. So I love this one. Personally, I much prefer this size because even though you don't fit as much inside, for my shape and my frame, this fits and suits me a lot better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please subscribe. I'll link all my information down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!